Yes, Watch 5 Pro is revealed. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro are out and every leak is true regarding these devices. But to some people, it's not a worthy update. Let's see what Watch 5 Pro brings to the table. A long-awaited Galaxy Unpack event happens on 10th of August and now you can start pre-ordering the devices that were shown in that event. If not, then Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro will hit the stores on August 26, but you guys may get some deals on Watch 5 Pro if you pre-order from Samsung's official website. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys going to buy Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro? Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro brings a lot to the table when it comes to new features compared to the last generation, except the outer design that Samsung is going with the Watch 5 Pro. And if you guys are interested in rotating bezels of Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, then you guys might be disappointed to see that Watch 5 Pro will not bring rotating bezels. But excluding this, Samsung put the sapphire glass on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro instead of Gorilla Glass to provide more protection to the Watch 5 Pro. The most noticeable and main feature of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is its new battery, 590 mAh, way bigger than the last generation. Well, last year we only see 391 mAh on the Watch 4 Classic, and your new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will give you a battery backup of more than 3 days or up to 80 hours, which is for the first time achieved by any Galaxy Watch. And there is another big thing Samsung changed from last year was the charging speed. Last year there was no exact watt for charging, but this year, we'll get a 10-watt fast charger with the Watch 5 Pro, which can charge your watch to 45% in 30 minutes as claimed. Meanwhile, if you looked at the specs of a Watch 5 Pro and Watch 4 Classic, you may see similarities. Same processor, Exynos W920 with a 16 gigs of storage and 1.5 gigs of RAM. Although Samsung put the new sensors in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which is called thermometer for body temperature and also including the previous sensor like blood pressure and more. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will come with the two colors, black and gray, both with the titanium build, and will cost around $449 for Bluetooth version and $499 for LTE version. And the Watch 5 Pro will be lighter than the Watch 4 Classic, along with having a bigger battery and a new sensor still weighted around 46.5 grams instead of 52 grams on the Watch 4 Classic. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys going to buy Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.